Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So the greenback is getting a little bit of momentum against its main competitors. Looking at forex pairs today, euro dollar, pound dollar, dollar Canadian, with the Bank of Canada's interest rate decision coming closer, and they're expected to cut by 25 basis points once again. So will we see more activity on the dollar, the American dollar that is, and where do we see now this kind of strength, because we've seen a bit of seen gold prices start moving a bit lower as well. So are we having a bit of a turnaround in the market, and how far can we get? Well, euro dollar has dropped almost 200 pips from its peak just towards the 112 level, and as you can see here, if we pull this back on the daily chart, it's a level that we haven't seen since July, and even before that it was only a slight peak in that direction. So before that we were looking all the way back to February. So we are in stages now where price action is kind of repeating itself. However, now we're having a very heavy resistance at that particular level at 112, very big psychological level, because that was the last swing high, and even there really, if you just look a few pips on this false spike on the daily chart, you're looking at just above 112. So with the fact that the RSI was heavily overbought for so long, there was always that worry that price action would start having a bit of a sell-off, and it is happening at the moment. But how far lower can we get? We'll have to obviously wait and see. But now trading just above 110. A lot of traders and economists are wondering if we do crack 110, if price action is going to start moving back down to the previous lows, which we'll see here before the big move up into the upside. So that's what we're looking to at the moment. So if we break 110, another 200 pips being wiped off the euro dollar price to go down to roughly about 108. But we'll have to obviously see what the fundamentals are bringing this week. Obviously quite a few of them. We had manufacturing data yesterday, services data later on this week, and the all-important non-farm payroll data as well. So quite a lot to look forward to, a lot to digest as well. Intraday though, not too much in the way of direction. We just had this kind of five-way to the upside, having this slight three-wave to the downside, you could say, if we're looking in an Elliott wave basis, but we're just waiting for a bit more of a confirmation if prices will start sinking a bit lower. As I said, 110 for me and for us here at Orbex, just seeing that the next big major support, and if we can hold that, then prices will most probably start getting a little bit more joyful to the upside, especially for bulls. Cable on the other hand, pound dollar, we're just seeing a bit more of the same price movement. We had this very, very bullish rally, but since then a very firm resistance at the mid 132 level. Now we're just shaving off a few pips, going down to 131, so roughly about 150 pips as well, moving to the downside. But as you can see here, very, very overbought rhetoric on the RSI and most of the stochastics as well that we're using. So there was always the indication that prices were going to start moving a bit lower as well. Bank of England looking to cut again in their next interest rate decision as well, so something else to look forward to for the pound at least. But as you can see here, every time we've got such an overbought scenario on the RSI, or oversold depending on what direction it is, there is always going to be that risk of a sell-off, which we're seeing now. Is it a sell-off, is it a correction, or just a slight pullback before we get another move higher? If we do get another move higher, obviously we have to break the recent top. So these are the levels we're looking at the moment, just underneath just trading above the 131. So if we confirm a break below that, these are the levels we'll be looking at now. So in a nice trading zone at the moment. So let me know what you think, what you're trading on, and if you're looking forward to the non-farm payrolls at the end of the week. We'll have this video posted on our YouTube and Telegram channel as usual. So feel free to like, subscribe, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So until next time, have a great trend day ahead, and bye for now.